In this video, I'm going to teach you how to record your screen while talking. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you would like to record the screen of your computer while you do a presentation or you play games, regardless of what you are trying to record, but also record your voice in the meantime, then follow the instructions in this video and you will be able to get it done. So, to do this, I recommend using OBS. There are plenty of different tools available for you to record your screen while talking. However, I believe OBS is the most easy to use, and it is very convenient. It is free to download at obsproject.com, so when you arrive at this page, choose between downloading OBS for Windows, Mac, or Linux. You can record anything. Like I said before, you can record a presentation if you are doing a lecture, if you are playing games and you would like to record your gameplay. Regardless of what you are doing, OBS will handle it. So when you open OBS, you will be given an introduction on how it works, and they are going to guide you through setting up the tool. Sadly, for a video of this nature in length, which is supposed to be a very straightforward guide, I cannot cover everything that is to know about OBS. I highly suggest you set aside some time and you watch a video dedicated to setting up OBS and the encoder settings. But the very first thing that you should do is to add a source. So depending on what you want to record, this is where you will be able to select it. If you want to record only a game and you don't want anything else to appear on screen, then you should choose game capture. So let's say, for example, I'm playing Fortnite and I only want to show this on my screen, I would choose game capture. And then from here, I would select Fortnite. Alternatively, if you are recording your whole screen, then you should choose display capture and select your primary monitor. After you do this, you should add an audio input capture, so your microphone is recorded. Like you see here, you can notice the audio levels going up and down. You can control the volume. And besides this, you can add other optional things like audio output, you can add images, but like I said, I'm not going to go too in depth. Next, go into these settings, choose the output category, recording, and this is the folder where the recordings are going to be stored. So for me, it is under this folder here on my X drive. You can choose the recording format, which I use MP4. It is by no means the most optimal, but it is the one I like to use. And under encoder settings, this is where it gets a little bit more complicated. Usually the recommended settings are going to be completely fine to use, but if you prefer, you can change them. I use CBR 7500 kbps, but you can search for more optimal settings depending on the hardware that you have available. Under the video category, you can configure the resolution. So I record on my monitor's native resolution, which is 2560 by 1440, but you can change it however you prefer, and I downscale it to 1080. With all of that said and done, after this is on, you just click on start recording, and now anything that you do on your screen will be recorded alongside, of course, your voice and any sort of audio output that is happening at the moment. This will work for games, videos, presentations, whatever it is that you are doing. Your screen will be properly picked up by OBS, and you can save the recording and share it later. I hope I was able to help you on how to record your screen while talking. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.